How's it going? This is gonna be my first YouTube video with my 2006 Chevy Silverado. It's a LBZ Duramax. Had it for 3 years now. And I just wanna, give you guys a walk around, show you guys everything I got done to the truck, show you everything that's wrong with the truck, show you everything I want to do to the truck. And yeah, this is just to show off my ride. There is problem number one. I don't know what the odds of that are, but as soon as I back this truck out of the shop, I guess you can't see it very well, but it starts sprinkling as soon as I go outside. My goodness. What the hell? Alright. Well, here she is. So essentially here, we got a Dan's Diesel Performance 64 millimeter stage 2 9 blade with the HSP full kit. I powder coated the core support and whatever you call this deal whenever I blew the turbo up, because I took the intercooler out to clean it out. So I powder coated this while that was out. Did the remote oil feed line for the turbo. The motor was studded about, I think like 15,000 miles ago now. Long story, but it's pretty good looking. It's not easy to keep it clean, especially on a truck that leaks damn near everything, and that's what I'm here to address today. So right now, what just happened here this morning, when I started the truck and it died right there, I have a fuel leak, which I believe is on the injector return line. So what we're gonna do here is take off the air intake, and we might have to take this pipe off, and we're gonna get in there and see what's going on. Alrighty, so here's where I'm at. I got the air filter off. We're gonna set that to the side. So I have the fuel filter deleted. The fuel filter housing, that would be right there. I looped it right there. And it appears, let's see, it's pretty wet right around those fittings there and right there. So what we're gonna do is put the air filter on kind of out the way so I can leave the camera right here and see what is going on. All right, so this is just for starting the truck up and it hopefully not sucking in anything. And being able to see what's going on right there. So that's not too bad, but this is my only vehicle, so I'm gonna have to put this back together and get a piece of rubber hose to fix that, because I thought it was gonna be the return lines, but it appears to be where I looped the fuel filter housing. So that's not too bad. Make sure this thing still runs. Almost did. Goodness. Alright, well, let's get that fixed. We are back with the Duramax. I got the fuel line right here. It was not easy to find. No auto parts stores had 1/2-inch fuel line for some reason. But I got some finally. We're gonna start tearing this thing down, and I will get back to you guys whenever I have the old one off. Okay, so here's what appears to be our problem. On this truck here, I've got a couple things done to the fuel system, like ported fuel rails and like the race fuel plug on the back of the rail, and ported CP3 inlet and outlet. So when I did all that, I did the fast fuel system too. And so I deleted the factory fuel filter head because it leaked on me twice. I replaced it. So I just took it out and I looped it with this right here. But it appears the factory lines started to leak. So we're gonna change this out. Hopefully it fixes my problem. Alrighty, we got it all buttoned up. You can see right in there. Not leaking as of right now. We're about to try and prime the fuel system and start her up. Alright, we got her all wrapped up. I went around, tightened all my boost clamps and coolant hoses and stuff just because, you know, wiped it down a little bit, and now we're gonna try and start it up. Running healthy. We're gonna open this shop up and back her out. Alrighty, here she is. Got her cleaned up a little bit. No more fuel leak. So now I'm just gonna show you guys around the truck. Show you what I got going on. It's on a 4-inch Cognito lift with Fox shocks, 35 by 1350, 24 amps with American Force. I think these are called Thrust. I want to do my the frame repair right here. I'm kind of tired of that look right there. It's kind of hideous. It's a 3500, obviously. It's got a 3-inch downpipe to 4-inch, stops right here, 5-inch the rest of the way with a muffler. I want to take it out, I haven't yet, to a 6-inch chrome elbow. Got BMW hitch, but it's kind of useless because the pin fell out right here. So can't really tow much, but I don't really like towing anything with this truck. I know it's a dually, but it's hard to keep it nice when you work a truck. It's not that clean. You can see, I mean, there's scratches and stuff. I just put this in it the other day. It really pissed me off, but what can you do? It's a good looking truck though. Show you the inside. I got DS18 Neos and all the doors with super tweeters. You can kind of see them back there. Got the Edge CTS3 right there. Kenwood that I turned off while we were trying to prime the fuel system, make sure all that went well. You can see I got the custom roof with the stars in it, a 1,000 piece kit from Customs Unlimited. I got all the trims and roof sunroof pieces matching, so all that works and it's good to go. Looks pretty good. It's only got 163,000 miles, so I'm trying to keep it as clean as I can. I got it with like 115, and it has been hard to keep this thing nice, I'm telling you what. I got the back seat out. You can see the super tweeter right here actually, and the BS18. So right here, this is just a audio pipe, 1,000 watt amp, set up to a Tempino TP 3500. See if I can get you a shot of that. No, not really, but you see it. It hits pretty good for only being a 1,000 watt amp. Right here you got my Stetson DSP, and I have a Bravo. Hold on, I'll go over there. See the fast fuel system there. Right here we got our Stetson 4-channel. I believe it's a 1,400 watt. Goes to all the doors. Then you can see the DSP over there, and that's about it for the inside. Looks pretty good. I like it. It's an Alcantara roof, so it's nice, you know. But that's about it for this thing. I'll get you guys a sound clip, me pulling off here, and that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps anybody, and I hope you guys like my ride. Thank you.